Hi guys! So here I am. I'm back again. So today I'm going to upload 4 videos or 6 because I missed yesterday. Yeah, I didn't record yesterday because I was totally bored and it's so hot. So now I'm going to record. Now let's go to the castle. Okay, now you see that stupid screen. Okay, wait, just use this. Okay, there we go. It's fixed. Yep, it's fixed. Okay, so let's go here. Change our side. So that's easy, right? So that will do. So easy when you have this and then change side. Go there. Okay, that part is so easy when you're stuck, but for me, I'm under. Okay, so what the heck is this? Wrong. Exit file. X. Okay, so you can still recording, right? There's so many apps that is going to screw it up. Okay. So screw that. Whoa! So close, guys. So dirty now. Go here and roll it here. Okay, this part is the hardest. Stupid cord for the stupid fishes. Oops. Look at me. Whoa. So cool, right, guys? Okay. And for the bad line, should I said the N word? Sorry about that. Trying to erase it. This part. Yep, I hate this part. No, please, no, wait. Wendy's! Look at you! Whoops! That's you. You will never spawn that stupid water. I need the water. Okay, got it. Yay. Okay, got it. So cool! Oh no, this again! The airship! Listen to the airship. Okay, save. Let's go here. Line me up. Oh no, not this airship. This is like the hardest airship for me. The easiest one is. Oh no. Yeah. Whoa! Let's do it, guys. Oh. Here. And Shazam. Faster, damn it. I'm still using my Dell laptop, guys. So, consider that shadow. And this is the thing. Okay. I like the music. Okay, let's get this guy. To get that. Let's run. Oh shit. No, please, Lord. No! Whoa! There's a failure, guys. Whoa! No! 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 Please! No! 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 Okay, oh shit. That. Okay. Oh man, I'm just power ups now. No. I hate that stupid run thing. It's like my favorite place. I'm probably gonna die, guys. Oh man, jam control. Not try me again. Okay. Okay, still not working. It's controlling. It's mine. Okay. I hate that stupid Koopa. My favorite airship is like in the world 6. It's like the best. Come here! Everything is beautiful again. Shit. Whoopsies. Okay. Frick. It's not working. Just gonna take these stupid nunchucks off. Okay, done him. Yay! Yes, the easiest part to beat is done. Only me, the pro me. How many minutes was that? See here? 9 minutes? Still okay. But that's done, guys. I'm gonna see you in the next level. World. Oh, nice. This is like the best for me. World 5 and World 6 are my favorite worlds. Okay. So that's it, guys. I'm gonna see you in the next when I get back. Bye. Boom 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 boom.